Alright everyone, let's get straight to the point. Air mesh for shoes, fantastic for breathability, a nightmare for clean cuts, especially those tricky notches. Sound familiar? If you're tired of battling frayed edges and uneven cuts with a rotary cutter, then this video is for you. Today, we're putting a digital cutting machine to the ultimate test, conquering air mesh notches. Buckle up and witness the cutting magic unfold. We'll show you how this powerhouse effortlessly navigates curves, straight lines, and, you guessed it, those dreaded notches. Prepare to be amazed by the clean edges and perfect notch formations it delivers, every single time. By the end of this video, you'll be convinced. Witnessing the digital cutter's precision will have you ready to ditch the rotary cutter forever. Inspired, see the possibilities of creating professional-looking shoe uppers with ease. No matter your shoemaking experience, a digital cutting machine can revolutionize your air mesh cutting process. So grab a drink, and let's witness the power and precision of digital cutting in action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about air mesh cutting or digital cutters, leave a comment below. We're always happy to help.